Hello friends, welcome back to my talks, and here I'm back again to talk on a very important topic. Yes, according to me it is important. Daughters, very special part and parcel of our life, and life cannot be imagined without them. Even घर भी नहीं सोचा जा सकता है बेटियों के बिना. And yes, for the parents, both sons and daughters are equal, but okay, so girls are special, and there are quite many reasons behind it. Okay, but all the boys over there watching, don't feel sad about it. Okay, it's we love you, but again, the reason I'm going to tell you, okay, in my composition. So किसी भी फॉर्म में बेटियां अगर आपकी जिंदगी में है, वो बहन के फॉर्म में माँ है, बहन है, माँ है, बेटी है. ओके, जो अलग अलग रिश्ते निभा रही है, हर एक फॉर्म में whoever it is, now I'm not talking about bias, they must be respected. Okay, तो जब हम देवियों की पूजा करते हैं, तो जो घर में जो देवी है उसको भी थोड़ा सा रिस्पेक्ट दे दिया जाए, थोड़ा प्यार दिया जाए, सो घर स्वर्ग बन जाता है, isn't it? So even I'm blessed with a daughter. Okay, and a few days ago, Daughter's Day passed off. Okay, and I have a channel, so I thought, why not share my views, experiences with you all. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा से पता है कि जितने भी मम्मीज या पेरेंट्स हैं उधर जो वॉच कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने भी यही महसूस किया होगा, और वो भी ऐसा ही महसूस करते होंगे जो मैं बोल रही हूँ. So it is in English. My experiences noted down. Okay, so I'm going to read it out for you. अपने आंसुओं को पकड़ के रखना चाहती हूँ, देखती हूँ कब तक रखती हूँ. So let us start. Okay, and all the girls over there watching love you, and even the boys love you. Okay, so let me begin with it. Yeah, did you know that I loved you long before you were born? When I first held you in my arms, one of my childhood dreams came true. I remember staring at you, your perfect little features, and feeling thrilled at each new sound and expressions. A fierce need to protect you came over me then, and it has never gone away. When you were a child, I was able to hold you close through illness and heartbreaks. I could hold your hand as you showed your experiences, and my presence and guidance seemed to assure you of a certain level of safety. But little by little, I have had to let you go and allow you to make your own way. That is what we parents, हम मजबूर हो जाते हैं कि हमको छोड़ना पड़ता है आपको ग्रो होने के लिए, और वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. हम हमेशा आपके साथ नहीं रह सकते. So often I wanted to call you back and have you stay in the protective circle of my arms. I never wanted you to face any kind of injury, yet I knew that you had to in order to grow. Now that you make your own decisions, just remember that no matter what, I love you, and I could never stop loving you. You are the hugs and smiles from my past, the hopes and dreams of my future. Take care, my daughter, and know that you are never all alone. We are connected by the strongest bond, the love between the parent and child. Love you till the moon. Love you very, very much. And to all the ladies and all the girls watching over there, yes, my love from the heart to each one of you. Thank you so much. Do share your love on the channel. Thank you.